Welcome to our educational video on understanding phenomenological research. Phenomenological research is a qualitative approach that focuses on understanding the lived experiences of individuals. It aims to explore the subjective meanings and interpretations people give to their experiences. Now, let's dive into an example of how phenomenological research can be applied to understand the experiences of individuals living with mental health issues. Meet Sarah, a young woman who has been living with anxiety and depression for several years. Through phenomenological research, we can gain insights into Sarah's unique experiences and the impact of mental health issues on her daily life. By listening to Sarah's narrative and analyzing the themes that emerge, we can develop a deeper understanding of the challenges she faces. This knowledge can inform the development of interventions and support systems to improve the lives of individuals with mental health issues. Phenomenological research allows us to go beyond statistics and diagnoses, giving voice to the lived experiences of individuals. Join us in exploring the world of phenomenological research and understanding the rich tapestry of human experiences. Dr. Philip Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.